Hello, what's good, what's happening? Today I'm gonna show you how I chill in the pool with my friends. So let's go! Nice and fresh! That's my friend Zay.
Hey, what's up?
We both got kicked out by our owners.
I hate those new guys in my water.
Wow, what is all that trash? Where does it come from?
Hey, Cappity Cap Cap!
Good morning, Betty. How are you doing today?
Not good. I haven't been played with for a while.
I know how you feel. One day, someone is gonna take us out.
People are stupid. We're never gonna get out of here.
Look, Betty, it's our lucky day.
Look, it's a person! She's taking us out!
I'm gonna get recycled.
Me too! Yay!
What about me?
Plastic is the most common trash in the ocean. It is harmful for the environment as it does not break down easily and often is considered as food by marine animals.
More than 1,455 tons of plastic are floating on the Mediterranean Sea. Just like your house, you also need to help the environment to be clean.
It doesn't take long to pick up trash and put it in a bin. You will help the future generation to live in a clean world. Today, 22nd of April, is the National Earth Day.
There shouldn't be only one Earth Day, but we should think every day about the planet we're living on.